Greetings! We are Team Deadlock from NIT Jamshedpur. Myself, Isha Mandal, and I am presenting the prototype on my team's behalf. Our problem statement is gamification for rural planning using drone land survey maps and GIS data. We are working on a dataset of a village named Lalpur of Gujarat that was provided with the problem statement. We see the shapefiles of houses, roads, and the key attributes like owner, area, block ID, etc. After the player selects the village, we will get the latitude and longitude of the village to generate a 3D visualization of the village through Mapbox API, where the player can have a fly-through of the whole village or a walkthrough about the village to roam as a third-person viewpoint. Infrastructure, a major aspect of rural planning. Let's take a look on how Gram Panchayats can plan road construction. Players can create road networks by placing control points through touch. A Catmull-Rom spline equation has been used here. Players can also change the position of control points to dynamically shape the roads and change the curviness. These adjustments will be reflected in real-time 3D game environment. Strategic placement or construction of public services like hand pumps, healthcare centers within a village is vital for maximum accessibility. Players can place them anywhere in the map as a drag and drop feature. There is an additional feature to turn on optimal placement or auto placement for these services, such that it ensures minimal travel distances, ensuring that largest number of villagers benefit from their proximity. It will be done using techniques like greenfield analysis, or we will use an any logistics API for this. Users, whether Gram Panchayat members or villagers, enter their email and password to access the app, which securely stores credentials and encrypts data. Upon login in, users can easily search their village either by using a hierarchical search, starting with the state name followed by the block and city name, or by directly entering the BBAN code for instant access. Players can manage their farm by performing various in-game activities. They can reveal and tap on options like sowing, then they can select their fields and watch their seeds being planted, ensuring a thriving harvest. If a farm is water deficient, players can tap and choose the ideal irrigation option for their farm and water them to restore their vitality. Players can see an overview of the map where greener fields indicate crops nearing maturity, while yellow fields signify those that have already been harvested. Players can also view a crop calendar using a Gantt chart to determine optimal planting, growing, and harvesting seasons for effective crop rotation. Players can view a candlestick chart showing which crops sell at higher prices during specific months and seasons for better marketing timing. Players can also manage and track finances, including cattle purchases, crop storage costs, vehicle expenses, operating costs, and cattle maintenance. The player needs to keep track of the nutrient content and maintain the fertility of the soil by accessing the fertility meter to analyze and choose fertilizers. At the end of the farming season, we will generate a profit analysis report using ML algorithms to identify poor decisions made by farmers and provide recommendations for improvement.